So yes guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to WG Motorworks here in Kent. Now so far Tommy has run stage 1 and now he is actually moving into stage 2. Stage 1 was with Ethanol and I believe he was around, Tommy, what were you around on stage 1 with Ethanol?
720.
720 or just under 700, but now with some more Ethanol and the downpipes and the Miltech exhaust, this thing is probably going to be running close to 800. So if you ask me, the S58 is practically the B58 on steroids. Again, twin turbo, as we can see, and on the stock internals, stock hardware, you name it, that is the sort of power you can be having, around 700 to 800 horsepower just with a flex fuel. And the flex fuel is something that you add into the fuel system, and it's like a little sensor, and that allows you to, when you add ethanol to the car through the petrol tank, it automatically changes the amount of power that the car is getting. So on pump you'll be seeing a certain amount of power, and as soon as you add the ethanol, it increases it automatically. No messing around. I honestly feel ethanol is the way forward. Now, just based on the stage 2 hardware, you were looking at 700 horsepower. And look at this front map. Nice and smooth, the way the power comes in, so no jerkiness, and using all of that power. Okay, so as you can see, Tommy, put your hand up. What do you want, mate? You all right, mate? What's in this hand, mate? So as you can see, Tommy has just got his brand new WG Motorworks. So if you are interested, this is a triple XL that Tommy's wearing as well. So, now, something I've just noticed here is Tommy can drive, but Tommy can't spell. Let me know if you can see what is missing here, guys.
Well, I didn't make them.
What do you have to say about that?
I didn't make them and I didn't notice for 4 years.
What are we doing?
I'm taking off the face.
No, here we go. I've got this. So obviously we've done a stage 1 on this car, didn't we, Tim?
Yep.
So surprisingly, it didn't actually make much more power and it came back in. So what we've done, we've come to a stage 2 software now, and you can see we've jumped up massively to just under 700 horsepower and just under 1,000 newton-meters of torque. And then we popped some ethanol in the tank, so I think Tom got up to E40. And this, obviously, we don't bring the torque in too much early. We don't want any conrod damage. So we've progressively bring the torque up to over 1,000 newton-meters. I think it's 1,080, which is just over 800 foot-pounds of torque. And then as you can see, it curves up, nice smooth curves here. These things love timing, up to 774. We're going to try a little bit more timing, so this number might go up, but you can see the gain, especially across here. So 70, 80 horsepower across the top end, and say torque was that 50 pound-foot of torque across a wide range as well.
Jesus
so
Christ.
These love ethanol.
And is that across most BMW engines, or is that just the S58?
High compression turbocharged engines mainly, but obviously these are just another kettle of fish.
Definitely.
They've just got the capacity in them to the standard.
And
so, yeah.
if you had to choose between adding meth or ethanol for tuning, which one would you say?
Ethanol, due to how much you put in the tank, it's safer. Obviously the ECU is controlling it. You're not doing controllers, like additional mapping if you don't turn it on, all those kind of like potential worries. So yeah, it's not more safety because it's built in.
Definitely. You're actually scared. Jesus, it feels weird. What gear are you going in?
Yeah, fifth. Here we go, hold on.
That creeps me out, man. Oh my God. So as we can see, in terms of progressions, we've started off with stage 1 without ethanol, stage 1 with ethanol, now stage 2 downpipe setup without ethanol, 700 horsepower, and then when you add the ethanol, 774. But look at that for the newton meters. A lot of them. Roll on, Race Wars. Alright, so we are experiencing
Some power.
Jesus! Woo! Oh, Tom, it's too fast, bro. Take it back. Hey, Warren, for the S55 map on this, mate. Do you hold your breath when you do that?
Nah, I'm not a pussy like that.
This is rapid. This is sweaty foam time. Cheese and bread. And it's throughout, do you know what I mean? There's no taper off. The way that this has been put in.
Like the power to the red line is.
Yeah, it's all the way there. It doesn't taper off and then it just runs out of puff. It feels like you could probably open up the engine and put 11,000 RPM in there. It looks like it's looking for more. That is proper good, mate. Hey! Oh my gosh. Can you see why I've lost my hair, guys? It's because of this guy. And obviously my M4, but what a weapon. What an absolute weapon. Wow. What a weapon, man. And the thing is, what I love about this airfield is that you can just go up and down it all the time. There is obviously other cars here just delivering some stuff to the airfield, but obviously we're getting ready for Race Wars, so luckily we've got an airfield that
Mexican tacos.
Yeah, we can just use. Oh yeah, has he got a sombrero? He's got a sombrero on as well.
Yeah.
Hey, my friend. Hey, andale. Hey. Whew. Well, guys, that is how we're gonna end the video, because Tommy is taking a mic. Hey. But as usual, if you have enjoyed it, if you have enjoyed, this guy is gonna watch this video back and take the piss. If you have enjoyed the video, please smash the thumbs up button. Head over to GG Autos _Essex and WG Motorworks. Hit these guys up, anything BMW. There you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Take care. God bless.